But it's a different circumstance growing up and having everybody watch your every move, and having something to say about it, having something to say about your relationships, having something to say about everything. So, it's definitely can be tricky. But what's been really cool is what you and I have been talking about is just like being able to like come together and be like, you know what, we're not alone. We went through stuff that was really similar, and we can come together, and it's
I mean, I think it feels so easy to like feel like in your own bubble, you know? For sure. Especially when you're an artist, because it like make you feel like the world's revolving around you, and then you realize like it's not, and you just gotta like open up to people.
Well, as a kid, like when you're a kid, you just, you know, you don't understand like ego and stuff. Like you don't understand it.
You don't understand ego. We know about ego now.
For sure.
We know about it.
But when you're a kid, you just like, everyone keeps telling you how great you are.
Of course.
You're gonna start believing it. Of course. You know, like,
or not. In a lot of cases, like, or your self doubt can. I mean, I found that for me was like, the more people projected me as being great, the more I didn't believe I was, and the more I was doubting myself and my ability. I told you about singing. You know, that was like what I first called you about. And it's funny, like anxiety and fear manifests itself in weird ways, and it's like this. You just have to love you first.
For sure.
It's crazy. I mean, I think like, the real. What were you gonna say?
I was just gonna say, like, self-talk is everything.
Everything.
I mean, like, what are we saying to ourselves when we're, you know, doing something? I don't know. Like, what are we? You get what I'm saying?
100%. I think also like, I really feel like this is not just a song. Like, we're not just releasing a song right now with the intention of being like, yo, we should do a song together. It'll be big because it's you and I mean, we're like, the whole time we've been talking about the song has been like the intention behind it really kind of moving people and making people feel something, and having that intention of shining light during this time. So I feel like it's kind of rare, actually, you know, and special.
Really rare.
So yeah, I'm really happy. I love this song.
Same.
You were in Canada when you sang it. All Canadians on this song.
All Canadians.
Staffa, Frank Dukes, Daniel Caesar.
Crazy.
Me and you.
Crazy.
Ontario vibes. What's this number on the left here?
I don't know. Engagement? Is that 122,000 people watching?
That's how many people are in there.
Oh, nice.
You guys can tell them what you're doing, like why you're together.
Oh, we can?
Like yeah.
What?
So, like that something's happening. This
that we're shooting.
Yeah,
we're shooting.
We're going to be performing together.
We can say it.
Yeah.
Like we're performing on the AMAs together. We can say that.
Yeah.
Okay, we're performing on the AMAs together. There you go.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be awesome. We just did it.
We just did it.
Now.
And now we're here.
That's
why we look so good. We got tons of makeup on, like 2 inches of makeup.
It's not real. It's all a facade, man.
It's getting filters, TikTok filters on this stuff.
You know, it's crazy, man.
I think the song's coming out in 5 minutes.
5?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, man.
I'm really excited.
Me too.
Legitimately.
Felt like for a long time. We've had this song, but even longer. We were like talking about doing something together.
For sure. I was gonna say, you know, when I said, "Who's Shawn Mendes?" I really didn't know. Like that was literally the first time I ever heard your name.
I don't believe it.
I swear on my life, bro. I wasn't trying to sign you.
I believe you.
All right. Just so we're clear. Just so we're clear.
He's lying.
All right. So what are we good?
I guess yeah.
2 minutes. Well, tell them about the video. That's what they're sitting there waiting to watch.
Yeah. So the video was shot by Colin Tilley, who's obviously a really talented video.
Has the best hoodies ever.
Has the best hoodies. He's just such a
the most positive man I've ever met.
Such a positive guy, man. Like he just makes the job so easy. So shout out Colin.
The video, we're like basically on the stage, and lightning is going off around us.
Yeah, it's pretty fire. It's pretty good.
That's what I got for you.
Yeesh.
Well, we love you guys so much, and
much.
we really hope that you love Monster, because genuinely,
truthfully,
it's probably my favorite song off of Wonder. So
wow,
I hope you guys love it. Thanks for doing this with me, bro.
I'm honored to be on it with you, man.
I feel the same.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys.